Welcome back to another lesson on Wondershare Filmora. Now, in this lesson, we're going to look at a really cool feature of Filmora, and that is its recording feature. Now, Filmora allows you to record your PC as well as other things. So let's just get into it. Now, in your project media, we have these two buttons here. So you're going to select the record button, and if you click on this drop-down arrow, you can record from a webcam, record your PC screen, or record voiceover. So let's look at recording a PC screen. So I'll just select that, and then this will pop up. Now from over here, let me just minimize this. From over here, you can see we have these options. Now you can choose the size of the screen that you want to work with. So currently it's set at full screen. You can select custom, or you can target a certain window, so you get to choose this window. But let's just go back to full screen. Then over here we have these options. You can add a microphone if you want to. You can turn it on or off, again depending on your needs. You can add a system audio, so if you want to record something, you add your system audio. Then you can turn on or turn off your camera, depends on what you want. Then let's click on this drop down arrow over here and look at the settings. Now you can choose a camera screen merging mode or a camera screen splitting mode. So I'll just select the first one. You can name your video from over here. So let's just name in practice one. You can choose where you want to save it. So you can type in your directly over here, or you can just click on this icon and then select where you want it to be saved. Then click select folder, and you can see the directory has changed. You can change your frame rate, so depends on your needs. Again, the quality, you can go for a higher quality, a lower quality, or the recommended quality. Then you can choose the countdown. So when your video is about to start, they'll run a countdown. So you can choose the number of seconds. It can be 3, 9, depends on your needs again. So let's just set it at 9. Again, you can set a record timer if you want to. So if you want your video to be like 5 minutes long, you can turn this option on, stop recording after you turn it on, and then you set the number of hours, minutes, and seconds. But I'm going to turn it off. Then you can select the mouse gestures that you want from over here. There are a lot of options you have from over here. If you want to play mouse click sounds, again you can turn that on if you want to. Then at the end over here we have these two commands. You can use the hotkey to pause or resume recording, and to start and stop. So the selected hotkey is F9. You can change that. It can be F4. It can be any hotkey you want. So you get to select, and then you can start recording. So if you want to start recording, you just press on this red button over here. So let's just click on it, and you can see it will start its countdown from 9 seconds to 1, and it will start recording. So if you wanted to like showcase your YouTube channel, you can just go ahead and explain. I'll tell people to go ahead and subscribe to Raw Computer College. Make them see the lessons that we offer, give them a preview of the lessons that we offer, talk a little bit more about it. And then once I'm done, remember the hotkey that we added for stop, it was F4. So I'm just going to press F4 and it's going to stop. Again, remember it was F4, so it stopped. So just close this. Let's go back to Filmora, and here we have our video practice one. It will start. So I can actually just take this and place it in my timeline. Let's just do this. There we go. Perfect. And here we have the video. So I'm just going to mute the audio, but it recorded the audio. So let's just play it and see what it will start recording. So if you wanted to like showcase your YouTube channel, you can just go ahead and explain, and then you can go ahead and make your edits. Again, it keeps the it does keep your audio, so it will record directly what you're saying. If you don't want it, you can mute from over here, and then as you play it, you can see the audio is silent. So go ahead and try that out and see how that will work out for you.